I'm sorry about that. I have issues with my stuff. I have issues in my brain, but I'm still a kid. So yeah, you can get scissors and cut it however, like these on the edges. On both edges, like you can do 3, 5. Just don't cut it in the middle too, because you're going to be drawing a map. So then after that, you can get any color. I'm just going to go get some colors. I have an art box where I can pick any colors. So I picked my colors. I got my color stuff. Now that I got my color stuff, you can pick any color, including blue. I just got blue. So I'm not really using only blue. I'm using Elsa colors. I got these Elsa markers. I got the Elsa markers when it was Christmas. I know it passed Christmas, but I got the Elsa markers when it was Christmas. So these don't really glow in the dark. Yeah, they don't really glow in the dark. These are broken. You can use Elsa stickers like an Elsa map, but for me, I'm actually going to draw it. I'm going to be using a marker, pencil, some white, and how I use it is I draw a line. I draw back, forth. And then after that, I just draw get some yellow. Yellow. And then I just draw little dots. So it can be like a chest. You can stop the window. Just make sure you ask your mom and dad to help you cut the edges, but you can stop the video so you can draw your own stuff. But just make sure you ask your mom. Just make sure whenever you want to watch this, you actually ask your mom and dad to help you cut it. For me, I don't need help because I'm 5. So then I just draw maybe like an island. Like the biggest island of all worlds. I'm actually drawing it back and forth. And then I'm drawing a line. So it's kind of like a biggest island ever. I can be showing you. It's like this. So now I'm going to maybe draw the ocean, the sea ocean. So how I draw it is I just draw it. This. You just draw the blue ocean. You can ask a sister or, yeah, just make sure you don't have your baby with us because they're pencils. Pencils are sharp, or you can use crayons. Just make sure you comment down below. If you're 5 and you can do it by yourself, then I'm fine with that, as long as you ask your parents, because I don't know about that one. And I'm just going to draw a little tiny boat, a mini boat, so they can go across the sea and get their treasure on the land. So for the boat, I'm just going to draw a mini of this. Sorry, I'm just talking to my mom. I'm talking to my mom. So then I just do like a mini boat sail. Then I draw blue lined a hole, mateys. I kind of want that. A flag. So people know they're pirates. Har, mateys. You can do a longer, like 2 pieces, like 1 on the bottom and 1 on the 2. Because I accidentally did an accident, I'm just going to do 2. I'm sorry that I'm blocking you. I'm just going to draw like a little line. I can show you the pictures. It's like this. I know you can't see the pink sail, so I'm just going to make it darker. I'm super sorry about that one. I think I'll just use some blue for the flag. Actually black. This is black. Can you see now? Yeah, you can. I can tell. So that's the episode of the video. Now you can just use some mini stickers. Sorry, I'm talking to my mom still. You can use Elsa stickers. You can use Elsa stickers. If you have no stickers, it's fine. I'm just doing it because I have Elsa stickers. But you don't have to follow me. Just comment. Just do whatever you want to do. I'm just going to put Elsa on here so whenever I go play with my friends named Gemma and Mina, they can see that we'll see Olaf, Kristoff, and Sven. Olaf is flying all over the world. And then Sven is like a reindeer. For me, Sven should go on the bottom. His reindeers are kind of big. And then Kristoff. You don't have to use all the stickers. Just make sure you see characters. But mostly, no, you don't have to do that. Kristoff is big. I'm just going to put it in the bullshit. So now I can be showing you. Here it is. This is how you make a map. Yes, this is how you make a map. Comments down below if you want to see my movies. I would love to see your guys' map. My mom's phone number is okay. My mom said I can't tell you guys my mom's phone number. So comments down below, and if you want to, I would love to see your own maps. Bye. Cheers.